Are you trying to install Kali on Hyper-V and getting a black screen? Or are you facing other installation errors?
Today, we're going to install Kali Linux on Hyper-V. This is a great way to utilize Windows virtualization and get your penetration testing environment set up.
Welcome back to iTech Aspirant. Today I am here with a new and amazing video on an operating system used every day by pros. For those who don't know, Kali Linux is the world's most popular operating system designed specifically for advanced penetration testing and security auditing. Now, I usually post Android development tutorials as you can see on my channel. But, as a developer, you need a good testing lab. So let's get started without any further delay. Open a new tab in your browser and type Kali Linux ISO. Click on the first official website that says Get Kali. Here we have to choose our Kali version. I'll go with installer images. Scroll down, and you'll see many options like weekly or net installer, but we will go with the simple installer. Click this download icon. It's round about 4.2 gigabytes right now, but the size might change in the future. Let the download finish. After the download, go to your downloads folder and find the file. Here it is. Now, open your Hyper-V Manager from search. Hyper-V is already on Windows 10 or 11. If you don't have it enabled, just comment Hyper-V below, and I will tell you the 4 very easy steps to enable it. It only takes 1 minute. As you can see, I already have a lot of virtual machines here like Windows and Ubuntu. We are going to add a new one, Kali Linux. I was asked by many subscribers to make this tutorial. I actually had Kali installed before, but I bought a new laptop recently, so I am installing this fresh with you guys to solve all the common issues. First click on New and then Virtual Machine. A wizard will open. Click Next. Here, write the name of your machine. I'll call it Kali Linux. Click Next. And here we have to select the generation. We must select generation 2. This is important for modern features. Click Next, and now we assign RAM. I'll give it to gigabytes, which is around 2048 megabytes. Click Next. In Configured Networking, select Default Switch so it can use the internet from our host laptop. Now select the disk space. I recommend 20 gigabytes or more. For the location, you can change it by clicking Browse. I have more free space in my G drive, so I will save it in the Kali folder I created there. Click Next. For installation options, select Install an operating system from a bootable image file. Click Browse, go to your downloads, and select that Kali Linux ISO we just downloaded. Click Open, then Next. And after all, click Finish. A new virtual machine is created. Wait, don't start it yet. After it's created, right-click on it and go to Settings. If we open it directly, it will give an error or a black screen. So in Settings, go to the Security tab on the left. Uncheck Enable Secure Boot. Click Apply and OK. This is the most important step. Now double-click on Kali Linux, then click Start and open the pop-up. We will go with Graphical Install and hit Enter. Select English or your language and click Continue. Select your region or click Other to find your continent and country. Click Continue. Select your keyboard layout. I'll use American English, and Continue. It will load installer components. Just wait a moment. For hostname, I'll stick with default Kali. For domain name, you can leave it blank, and Continue. Now create a username and a password. Make sure to choose a strong password. Confirm it and click Continue. For partition disks, I go with guided, use entire disk. Here's the 21 gigabytes disk we created. Select recommended one, all files in one partition. Finish partitioning and write changes to disk. Select Yes and click Continue. It will install the base system. When it asks for software selection, Just leave the default recommendations checked and click Continue. This part takes some time, so I'll fast forward. The installation is complete. Click Continue to reboot. After rebooting, we can enter Kali Linux. Enter your username and password. And there we go, it's installed. But wait, let's do some necessary settings. Open the terminal. First, type sudo apt update and enter your password to upgrade the system packages. Next, type sudo apt install Kali Winkex and hit enter. This installs the drivers we need for better integration. Now, let's fix this small screen. Go to the top left menu, search for Display, and open it. In the Resolution dropdown, set it according to your screen size. My laptop is 1080p, so I will go with 1920 by 1080. Then click Apply. Click Keep this configuration. And look at that, it fits perfectly on our screen. Even if you restart Kali Linux now, it will stay full screen. And that's it for this tutorial. In the next video, we will continue with our app development series and explore more about virtualization. Go ahead and explore Kali Linux for testing and security. If you want a video on a specific tool or topic like Wireshark, Metasploit, or Nmap, comment it down below. If I see enough requests, I will definitely make a dedicated tutorial on it. Subscribe to stay tuned, and like the video to motivate me. Also, comment done if you installed Kali Linux perfectly. Thanks for watching, iTech Aspirant.